This is one of the most commonly asked questions in an interview. What is the difference between process and thread? Let me explain to you in the easiest way possible that I can. Let's take Chrome as an example. In Chrome, one tab usually equals to one process. What does that mean? A process is basically a whole app running. Each process has its own memory and its own address space, and other process can't directly access it. Now imagine you are opening multiple tabs. You are basically creating multiple processes. And here's the catch. Creating a process is heavy because it's allocating memory and other stuff. It costs more resources. But there's an upside about this. If one tab crashes, the other tabs are still fine because processes are isolated from each other. So this means processes have a really good correctness in it. Now let's talk about threads. A thread is worker inside the process. This is the major difference. They share the same memory, which means they can communicate through that memory called heap. One process can have multiple threads, so they're kind of like working together to run the process. For example, inside one Chrome tab, you might have a UI thread, an IO thread, a network thread, and other worker thread. But threads are lightweight and fast to create. That is another major difference between process. But they have a downside with this. If one thread have a bug, it can mess up the whole process. For example, if the UI thread crash, we can see the website properly, right? So basically, the whole tab becomes unusable. So in this case, threads is kind of fault intolerance. So in conclusion, process offer isolations and correctness, while threads offers concurrency and lightweight. And yeah, that's basically the core difference. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.